Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about an area town known as Landeta, home of Pooches, picnics, and pools. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including one to Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. Landeta is a pretty name that has been featured in San Miguel de Allende since the Inquisition. Back then, members of the Landeta family owned textile factories, held important municipal posts, and were elite movers and shakers in colonial San Miguel. Today, Landeta is most closely associated with the namesake park and the many of the real estate developments adjacent to it. Landeta Park sits alongside the botanical gardens, featuring dry scrubland and wetland ecosystems. Not particularly large, a 30-minute stroll will circle the perimeter. In the mornings, the area is favored by foreigners and their unleashed pooches. Around sunset, Mexicans tend to stroll the area. At either time of day, it's a pleasant area to have a picnic. You can venture out of the park and visit the nearby village of San Jose de la Amistad. I always wanted to go there, if only because we were both named for the same lad. There isn't much in the village of San Jose, but if you come back during one of St. Joseph's 2 feast days, as the most powerful saint and Jesus' stepfather, he was awarded not 1, but 2 feast days. The parties last all day. Be careful, though, as the park and the village feature a surprisingly large number of free-range dogs. So many that last year a man was mauled to death by wild dogs in the park. If feeling ambitious, you can continue to stroll past the park and village out to the road towards Rodriguez. Crossing the highway, you'll come across the old Landeta Hacienda, known for its lovely chapel and orchards. As recently as the 1980s, the Hacienda was in operation as an overnight Catholic retreat center. Then it sold furniture for a bit, and today hosts restaurants and a venue for destination weddings. I told you the chapel was lovely. The name Landeta has a variety of meanings in real estate. There is a large colonial adjacent to the park and the public hospital where my napkin-selling sweetie Isabel once lived. There are other more upscale, pool-laden gated communities going up around the park with names like Casco de Landeta. Again, I think Landeta is a pretty name, and the park is a pretty area to gamble about with your pet and picnic. Another option is to gamble a bit farther afield for a meal at the old Landeta Hacienda. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic notifications of updates here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.